Morning children, welcome to Sanskrit session. Today we will begin our session with a piece of advice given in Sri Chanakya Sutrani. Swashaktim Jnatva Karyam Arabhet. It means after knowing your strength, you should start any work. Now today we will study a topic given on page number 73. भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषणानि. Children, adjectives which denote past tense are prepared from roots. Hence they are called as भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण. They are of two types, कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण and कर्तरी भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण. Today we will study कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण. These participles or धातुसाधित विशेषणs are used either in place of verb or as an adjective. These past passive participles are prepared by adding ta or ita to the root. You will understand this with the help of example. For example, nama root plus ta is equal to nata. Root han plus ta is equal to hata. Root gam plus ta is equal to gata. Root kru plus ta is equal to kruta. But while preparing कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातुसाधित विशेषण of some roots, e is added before ta pratyay and it becomes ita. For example, vanda plus ta will be vandita. Earlier it was nama plus ta nata. Now it is vanda plus ta vandita. Patha plus ta pathita. Krida plus ta kridita. In these examples, it was added to the roots. When we add ta to the roots at that time, some changes takes place and ta becomes ta, dha, na, dha or na. For example, krusha plus ta is equal to krushta. Root vaha plus ta is udha. In place of va, u comes according to the rule of grammar. Root kru plus ta is kirna. Root lubha plus ta is lubdha. Root khid plus ta is khinna. In passive voice, if the sentence is in past tense, then past passive participle is used in place of verb as per the gender and number of the object, which is in nominative case or prathama vibhakti. Now we will study this topic from page number 73. Here some forms of karmani bhutkal vachak dhatu sadhit visheshan are given in the pot, like ukta, jnata, rakshita, kruta, labdha, patita, prushta, rachita. Below that, some sentences are given. Now we will study those sentences. For example, Ramena Pathaha Patitaha. This is Karmani Prayog. Ramena is Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Pathaha is Pullingam Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. That's why Patitaha is also Pullingam Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. It is according to the table of Dev, like Devaha, Devau, Devaha. It will be Patitaha, Patitau, Patitaha. Second sentence is Ramena Kavita Patita. All the sentences given here are in Karmani Prayog. Here Kavita is Strilingam Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. So कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातु साधित विशेषण is patita. Because kavita is feminine, it is according to the table of mala. Mala male malaha, patita patite patitaha. Third sentence is Ramena kavyam patitam. Here kavyam is napunsak lingam prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. That's why patitam is napunsak lingam prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. Like the table of one, vanam vane vanani, in the same way patitam patite patitani will be the form. Now we will see fourth sentence. It is like first sentence, but here the object pathaha is plural. Ramena pathaha patitaha. That's why the dhatu sadit visheshan patitaha is also plural. Now we will see fifth sentence. It is like second sentence, but here the object kavita has changed to kavite. It is in dual form. That's why dhatu sadit visheshan has changed to patite. It follows table of mala. Mala male malaha, in the same way patita patite patitaha. Now we will study last sentence, which is like third sentence, but here kavyani has been taken. This is plural of kavyam. That's why dhatu sadit visheshanam patitani is there. It follows table of vanam, like vanam vane vanani. The forms will be patitam patite patitani. यथा कर्म पदम परिवर्तते तथा क्रिया सूचकम विशेषणम अपि परिवर्तते. It means as object changes, in the same way the dhatu sadit visheshan also changes. On the right hand side, kartari bhutkal vachak dhatu sadit visheshan is given. We have already studied this. It is given on page 31 of your book. You can revise that. For that, tavat pratyay is added to the root and kartari bhutkal vachak dhatu sadit visheshan follow the table of bhagvat in masculine, nadi in feminine, and neuter will follow the table of jagat. But in kartari bhutkal vachak dhatu sadit visheshan, the form will follow the subject in gender and number. In yellow boxes, kartari कर्मणि भूतकाल वाचक धातु साधित विशेषण फॉर्म्स आर गिवन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रूट क्षिप और धातु क्षिप. क्षिप्त इज कर्मणि भूतकाल वाचक धातु साधित विशेषण एंड क्षिप्तवत इज कर्तरी भूतकाल वाचक धातु साधित विशेषण. धातु आप, आप्त इज त फॉर्म एंड आप्तवत इज तवतु फॉर्म. थैंक यू.